Blue Rose Quartz is a rare and special blending of pink rose quartz and Girasol quartz that has a darker blue-gray appearance. Girasol quartz, also pronounced Girasol, means sunflower or turned towards the sun in many Latin languages. It refers to a milky white, very pale pink or blue form of quartz that has a glow which changes in the light. This scattering of light is thought to originate from microscopic fibers of dumortierite within the mineral that give it the distinctive hazy milky appearance. Girasol quartz is an excellent tool for Reiki and energy healers as it helps harness energetic light and tap into the flow of universal energy. It is also a good tool for spiritual development, meditation, divination, and upper chakras work. Girasol, combined with the familiar rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love and nurturing, gives blue rose quartz the ability to integrate the heart and mind, the emotions and intellect. It is considered the stone of sacred union, the merging of masculine and feminine energies. This is a powerful healing stone that can take spiritual and intuitive abilities up a notch. Blue rose quartz is like the best of both worlds. In some lights, it has a blue hue, and in some lights, it looks pink, and when you hold it up to the light, it appears golden and glowy. Blue rose quartz in sphere form can often contain rainbows and other sparkly inclusions, and translucency, which makes it ideal for scrying and other divination. Find some blue rose quartz of your own at blisscrystals.com.